Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, File Explorer not showing network computers in Windows 10. Type Control Panel in Windows search bar. Click Control Panel. Click Network and Sharing Center. Click Change Advanced Sharing Settings. Click Turn on Network Discovery. Check Turn on Automatic Setup of Network Connected Devices. Click Save Changes. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as Administrator. Double-click Function Discovery Resource Publication. Change Automatic. Start Service. Apply, OK. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.